Welcome to this tutorial. I am happy that you could join us. We'll be looking at AI this time around. This tutorial is meant to get you started with AI, OpenAI, specifically looking at the ChatGPT chat completion endpoint. What you need to do is to create an account with OpenAI. I'll just share my screen so that you see what to do. So if you if you are new, you come to this page, but then if you are logged in, after logging in, you notice that your name will be here, or your username, depending on what you use to register. So you have it spelled out here. So just make sure you have created an account, because it will be necessary as we start building out these chatbot applications that we plan to build. One thing you should look out for is the keys. Down here you have your API keys. So if you just created your account, you need to create a new secret key here to be used during the project. And then you also need to go to settings to get your organization ID. Yeah, these are the two basic things you'll be needing. And then you feel free to check out the documentation. OpenAI gives you access to a lot of things, as you can see here, but we'll be focusing on the chat completion API. You can check out the API reference here. On here we have completion, but we're focusing on chat completions API. We'll be calling this API during the course of this tutorial to create a chatbot that will give us response using AI. So that is it. We'll start off by creating a chatbot, one that will run on the CLI, command line interface, or your terminal. It will be interactive too. Then we'll create one that will run on just React, that's a front end application. And then we will look at how to combine the powers of these two to create something better, something more secure, something more interactive, something more attractive, and of course giving a better user experience to users. So that is it. We'll get started in the next video. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. See you.